Hello, today we will guide you through how to add social proof to your Funnelish checkout. In this walkthrough, we'll be working inside Funnelish to add review-based social proof to a checkout page. Social proof can help build trust and give visitors more confidence as they move through your funnel. So this is a useful update to make if you want your page to feel more credible and persuasive. To begin, open Funnelish and go to the Get Started area. Once you're inside the platform, look at the top of the screen and click on Funnels. This will take you to the section where all of your funnel projects are stored and managed. From there, select the sample funnel you want to edit. This opens the funnel overview where you can access the individual steps that make up that funnel. In this case, you'll want to click on the landing page step. Even if your goal is improving the checkout experience, this is where you'll enter the page editing view shown in this tutorial. After opening the landing page step, click Edit. This launches the Funnelish editor, where you can make visual changes to the page layout and add new elements. Give the editor a moment to load fully so everything in the left navigation is available. Once you're in the editor, go to the left-hand navigation panel and click on Reviews. This section contains review elements that you can use as social proof on your page. These are designed to be dragged directly into your layout, making it easy to place them where they'll have the most impact. Now drag the sample reviews onto the form area of the page. As you place them, try to position them in a way that feels natural and supportive rather than distracting. For example, reviews often work well close to the checkout form because they reinforce trust right when a visitor is deciding whether to continue. Take a moment to make sure the placement looks clean and fits the overall design of the page. Once you've added the reviews and you're happy with how they appear, go to the top right corner and click Save Changes. This is the final step to make sure your edits are stored and applied to the page. And that's it. You've successfully added social proof to your Funnelish checkout using the review element. After saving, it's always a good idea to preview the page and confirm that the reviews display properly and complement the rest of the layout.